to achieve, time to thrive, time to...
Miss March, tell us what happened.
Sometimes when you dream, your dream is just a guess. Sometimes when you work really hard, you don't know if you'll ever find success. So we grabbed a story to sell and got ready to raise hell. Then I marched out the door and headed right for the Weekly Volcano Press.
Ah, Henry Dashwood. Now he's a man of taste.
Dashwood was a thief. He stared at my cheeks, tossed my story, hound that I was determined I would progress. I said, sir, I'll wait while you read. But unless he disagreed, so I jumped on a chair and read it right there on the Weekly Volcano Press.
You did what?
Fly from me, you wretch! I cannot keep away. Your beauty draws me, your passion ignites me.
Ah, it's a little horror in it. The bloodbath.
That's the one. But I took to heart what you said. I embellished, I made it better. Thunder claps, lightning strikes.
I want to have you.
I defy you.
I will take you.
Let me buy you. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. And Rodrigo appears in magnificent splendor.
Unhand that woman, villain. Who are you? I am your destiny, your bitterest foe. I've come to avenge your crimes of 10 years ago. Run to the forest, run!
I can't. The forest is dangerous. My sister went in there and never returned.
You must risk it. You must take the dark path. Your fate awaits you there.
She will never escape me!
Hurry!
Oh, no!
Go now!
Dashwood was aghast, but I could not care less. Words I spoke ignited the air. I felt like a publishing lioness. That's when Dashwood started to shout, and I thought he'd throw me out. But the night persevered, and the forest appeared at the Weekly Volcano Press. The forest is dark and scary. Clarissa enters, trembling fearful what fate awaits her. She comes to a fork in the road and stops. Which way do I go? A hag appears. I can help you choose, but you must make a sacrifice. Give me something dear, those coals are ours. Without these coals, what will I be? Perhaps a hag as dull as me. I can't. Your destiny. I've got to know. Please show me where to go. Your fate awaits you there. The path is perilous. She avoids swamps. She loses her footing. Her shoe tumbles off. The sleeve of her dress gets caught on a twisted limb. She comes to wild rapids and can go no further. How shall I get across? A troll appears.
If you want to cross, you must beg me. I'm the only boat that can get you there alive. I see you wear a necklace that holds a pretty jewel. My price to get across is what you're wearing round your neck. How it lets
I've nothing left but this. My prospects are so bleak.
Just give me your time.
My fate awaits me.
Can you not care for me? It's been years since I felt the touch of another hand.
Then take mine. And take my shawl. Dragons.
You've completed your journey. My sword is now yours. It will protect you against your enemies. You may now return to the moors. Your fate is in your hands.
Then race to the moors. Race to the moors. She cried out. I have returned, Braxton. I'm here to free the moors from his tyranny. Fight me.
I always knew you'd come back to me. They always do.
She parries. She backs on Braxton, pins him against the tree. She leaps upon a craggy rock, her sword swishing and swooshing. Never has she been more determined. She is on fire! Pity she hadn't taken dueling lessons. Out of nowhere she appeared with the long forgotten Rodrigo! This is your end, villain. I've waited a lifetime to destroy you.
Who are you?
I am your worst nightmare, Braxton. I